Hello everyone and welcome back to Chemical Science Teaching. In today's video, we are going to explore the powerful reference management software Endnote. Whether you are a student, researcher, or writer, Endnote can help you organize your references and citations more efficiently. So what is Endnote? Endnote is a reference management software developed by Clarivate Analytics. It helps you collect, organize, and cite your research materials, making academic writing and research more efficient. So, what is the agenda of this video? I will start by explaining what Endnote is and why it is beneficial. We will then cover the installation process. After that, I will show you how to add references to your Endnote library. Next, we will explore how to organize and search for references. Finally, I will demonstrate how to create citations and bibliographies in your documents. So moving to the first step, which is installation. So first, let's install Endnote. Visit the official Endnote website at any of these URL. So copy any of these URL and paste it on the Google search engine. So I am copying any of these and pasting it on the Google search bar. So download the software for your platform, Window or Mac. This is Endnote version 21. Download for Windows. So you can check in the download section whether it is downloading or not. So here it is. Here you can see the software has been downloaded. You can check in the download section of your computer. Open the software. So if you have an existing library, you can open it. And if you don't have, you have to create a new library. So I am creating a new library. So create a library and save it. So the library has been created with the name My Endnote Library. Let's import references from database Google Scholar. So type Google Scholar. In the Google Scholar, you can search for any paper if you know the title of that paper, author name, or any other details. So I am just typing cunene. Here you can see almost 3,56,000 papers it is showing. So let's go to the cite option. Here you can see different style: MLA, APA, Harvard, Vancouver, Chicago. So select the reference style you want. I'm selecting APA, then go to EndNote. So your reference has been downloaded. It is directly importing on the EndNote library. So open the EndNote. So this reference has been imported on your library. So the next job is to add these references or import these reference to your Word file. So the reference has been imported in your library. So the next job is to add this reference to your Word document. So let's open the Word document. So this is, make sure the reference has been selected in the Endnote library. Then go to insert. So if you are facing this problem, so what is the solution of this problem? Here you can see the complete reference has been not added. Similarly, you cannot see the bibliography. So what is the solution of this problem? For this, you have to go to options. Here, go to manage, then word add-ins. Here, make sure that Mendeley has been unchecked. So uncheck this and click on OK. So on the Google Scholar, you can add import to Endnote option just by going to setting, then going to bibliography manager. Here select show link to import citation into, select the option Endnote and save the changes. As you can see here, import into Endnote option is appearing. Open the next database, which is PubMed. Open the PubMed. Here you can search. I am searching for either team research article. There are 2,483 results. So select those. I'm selecting these three. Then go to send to and citation manager. Here in the selection, it is showing four selections. So for select, want to change the font size and font style in the bibliography, you can do this just by going to edit and manage citations option. Click on it. Then select tools. Here, go to configure bibliography. Then go to layout. Here you can change the font. Select the font style, whichever you want. So I am selecting Times New Roman. Um, you can change the size of your text and click on OK. As you can see, the font style has been changed. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notification of my latest video. Thank you so much.